Hey guys! Kamusta na? Hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa ha. Ang susunod na video na mo, mapanood ay puro ka-abnormal na, puro kalokohan lamang. Patnubay ng mga siraulo ay kailangan. Do you want my cock? If you really want it, it's okay. I can give my cock. I think you need to watch this video first.
I need to do another party. Can I order food from you guys?
Yeah, can what you want?
What's the menu this weekend?
This week, fly rice, beef fly rice.
I like fly rice.
You want chicken curry?
Yeah, chicken curry is good.
So, did you get it? No? Not yet? You still don't want my cock?
Party. What kind of drinks can you give us, Auntie?
I think we have the fruit juice. We have also we have bandung. We also have like soft drink like coke.
Sorry, what drink is that?
Coke.
Ooh.
Medium coke also got. Big coke also got. Which one you want? Also can three coke for price of one. I give you what? You order enough, I give you that.
Huh? Huh? You want it, right? Now you want my cock. Singlish or Singaporean English. Isang paraan ng pagsasalita ng English na kung saan ay hinahaluan ng Mandarin accent at dinadagdagan ng mga salita na hindi ko alam kung saan nila pinupulot. Kumbaga sa Filipino version ay Carabao English. At alam nyo ba?
Bro, ano ba yung iingay mo? Natutulog ako.
Hey, sorry ka, Jobin. Roommate ko. Saglit na lang to. Anyway, dito sa Singapore, napakababait ng mga tao. Pero, wag nyo lang sila pag-iintayin.
Auntie, reverse lah, auntie. What you waiting for? No people behind you already. Ayo, why you go ahead again? Reverse lah.
One tip. Pag sinabing reverse mo na.
How long I have to wait for you? Oh, reverse, 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 just reverse. Well, Piang, you driving Lexus RX 300, you don't know how to reverse, man. I do reverse lah.
At pag talaga inasar mo sila, grabe, makakatikim ka na masasakit na salita.
If you don't know how to drive Lexus, don't drive. You use bicycle. Better again. Easy to find car park, auntie. Faster lah, auntie. Aduh. How long you have to park a car park? Oh, you don't know how to reverse parking. Where you get your license one, auntie? Ay.
So the best way to do in this scenario, give him a cock. Grabe nung isang araw, naglalakad ako sa mall, nakakita ako ng isang cool at malupit na bagay. Ay, hindi yan, yung isa. Ha? Astig na. Lupit, di ba? Alam nyo ba na mga taga-Japan yung mga yan at nag-perform sila dito sa Singapore a day after the earthquake tsunami sa kanilang bansa? Capriori ang name ng group nila. At may record silang hinahawakan sa Guinness Book of Records pagdating sa pinakamabilis tumalon sa larong jumping rope. Bangis, no? Invento ko lang yun.
Bro, talaga ba hindi ka titigil? Ang nakakatuwa dito sa video na to, lahat ng ginagawa nila mga stunts at pagsayaw ng pasirko-sirko ay para lang sa audience ng mga bata. Di ba?
Tama.
At alam nyo ba ang pinakamalupit? Alam nyo ba? Ha? Alam nyo ba? Yung upuan na inupuan ng mamang ito, grabe. Magkasintabaan na sila ni Aris eh.
Okay na, Kajobin. Matulog ka na. Puyat na naman si Kajobin. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. At hindi ako ganun kataba, okay? But I approve this message. So tell me guys, gaano kagaling ang nagmamagaling?
You know we straight with you and your mom. 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 You and your mom.
Ang nakatuwa... Ha?
Hindi, alam niyo ba? Tama.
Di ba?
Masarap ka naman.